I wouldn't be here without that layoff. And so what I'm trying to say is, yes, it's a bummer, and yes, you may be unprepared for it, but can also be a defining moment in your life, a defining pivot in your life. Josh, I think I mean, I look at you and you're making some of those defining pivots in your life.
Yeah, this is the second time that this has happened. Pre-COVID, around 2018, a company I was working with decided, hey, we're going to offshore and we're going to do it now. So good luck, everyone. And I went to lunch with Bob, and Bob looked at me and gave me the nudge that I needed. And he said, if you don't do this now, you're never going to do it. So view this as an opportunity to do that thing you've likely always wanted to do. And it was, okay, Josh, if you don't start this company now and start branding yourself, it's never going to happen. So now's your moment.
Entry music. Da, 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 da. It's the Bob and Josh show.